So, on the video I posted this Tuesday, I mentioned at the end that I was planning on having an online meeting this Saturday, May 9th. In retrospect, I realized I would like to have more time to plan things out properly rather than rushing into it. Thus, I am planning on hosting a first online meeting on the Saturday after, May 16th. This meeting will give people room to deliberate about issues and potential solutions regarding existential risks posed by AI. To give the meeting some structure, we will aim to produce a deliverable. Coming up with a concise argument, we can tell people uninformed about the existential risks of AI so they understand the gravity of the issue. We will begin as a group. I will introduce the meeting, its aim, and answer any initial questions. And then we're going to split into breakout rooms. We will discuss in those groups, select a representative, and after some time, reconvene. Then when we're all joined together, each group's representative will share what they came up with, and collectively, we will synthesize those ideas. I will then post such an argument online the following Monday, and I'll probably linger around afterwards to actually just talk to people and get to know them. Ideally, this will become a weekly event held on Saturdays, changing focus each week, changing topics. There's no registration required, so feel free to join in and just listen. I will share the link and the time for the meeting on all my social media as we approach the day, May 16th. So, hope to see you guys there.